Okay, so I added a new loudness contour to the compressor, the limiter, and the dynamics optimizer. So recently I had added these ITU-R 468 A and C weighting. So I had this one, this one, this one, and now we got ECMA-418, which is pretty reasonable approximation of ISO 226, but it's more doable as a IIR zero latency filter, so it works well with the compressor. And as part of that, I updated these new presets. So you have standard LUFS K weighting, and then a version where the only thing that's different is instead of K weighting, it's this ECMA 418. So it's all the magic of the compressor, limiter, the optimizer, except more perceptually refined. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's it. All right, later.